I'm going to show you how to add a project in Codex. So if you've downloaded and installed the Codex desktop app, you should simply open it up and then make sure you're signed into your account. And now once you're signed in, you should see a project selection screen at the beginning. But if you don't see it and you want to add a new project, you can click on File and then click on Open Folder. Now you'll need to navigate to a folder where your project exists. For example, on this project folder for me, then click on Select Folder, and you should see it right here under Threads, the project folder, which you can expand. And Codex will register that as a project, as you can see here, where you can start adding files and doing other work. And if you're using the CLI tools or the command line tools, you will basically open up Windows PowerShell or Terminal, and you will navigate to a directory where you want to create your project. So for example, cd desktop. Now, once you're in the desktop, you want to run mkdir, and then basically name your project, folder name, my project, for example, press enter. This should create a folder, which is this one here. And then you want to basically go to that folder, cd my project. Now, once you're inside that folder, you will simply need to run Codex and press enter, and then click on 1 to update. Now, once it's initialized, Codex will treat that folder as a project workspace. And then you can basically run Codex again to start using Codex in your current project workspace. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.